Alright, so I bought an Ashley Madison membership for $149, and here's what I found. But before I delve in, please make sure to like and subscribe so we could keep bringing you the best dating advice, dating tips, and reviews on the dating websites out there. And make sure to take the Date Flutter dating quiz so that you can use the best dating website that is the most accurate for you. All right, so here we go. To start, what is Ashley Madison? Well, Ashley Madison is a popular adultery dating site that helps millions of single and attached people still find casual fun. Want to know if this casual dating site, Ashley Madison, is worth it? Well, here's an in-depth look at Ashley Madison, including how to sign up, key features, and more. Let's get started. But before I get into some more detailed findings, let me list some of the pros and cons of this website. All right, so the pros. The site has a good reputation. The interface is modern and easy to use. There's many members ready to chat. The chat disappears so a spouse won't see it. Even has a panic button. It's full of attractive individuals, yet it protects your info with great security. And it's free for women. There's also cool, effective communication tools on there, as well as an anonymous payment option. All right, now the cons. The cons list is actually a lot smaller. Well, it's not for people looking for serious relationships. There's also a lack of auto matching, and the payment system is a little confusing. All right, so there you have it, the pros and cons of Ashley Madison. But let me give you a overall summary. Well, since the site's beginning in 2001, Ashley Madison has been regarded as one of the best hookup apps around. A dating site for people who are unhappy in marriages or unsatisfying serious relationships. Ashley Madison is discreet, trustworthy, and extremely popular. So, well, I thought, okay, why don't I test it and just give it a shot? Ashley Madison's slogan is "Life's short, have an affair." Well, they make it incredibly easy to cheat on your partner with features like I mentioned before, the panic button and disappearing chat. This site is incredibly ideal for discreet in-person and online sexual encounters. I found that Ashley Madison is not just a typical dating site for cheaters. It has a very broad user base and includes people looking for open and polygamous relationships too. So while it's not officially considered to be a swinger site, Ashley Madison helped people find multiple partners for fun. With users all over the world, Ashley Madison is becoming increasingly popular. In 2019, they added over 15,000 members daily. And in the past year, Ashley Madison boasts a whopping 17,000 new members every single day. And that is a big, broad audience, if you ask me. Most importantly, users find the site to be very liberating, as it allows them to find others who are non-judgmental about the cheating lifestyle. Users understand that others are in long-term relationships and marriages that they just aren't happy in. Ashley Madison provides them with an outlet full of others who are looking for the exact same thing. It's easy to create a profile on Ashley Madison, and the communication tools the site offers are the best. You can message, wing, chat, and send gifts to other members to get their attention and find matches. While you could join for free to browse potential matches, men have to pay every month to connect with someone to get to know other women through their profiles. The Ashley Madison site features include an affair guarantee, free guest membership for men, the ability to send virtual gifts, and virtual fantasy dates. All right, let's talk about signing up for Ashley Madison. Well, it only takes a few minutes to sign up. In order to browse for potential matches, you have to sign up with an account. You select your sexual identity and what you're looking for. And after choosing a username and password, you put your location, height, weight, body type, and short bio if you want. While a photo isn't required, it's a good idea to upload one if you're really serious about finding someone on here. Of course, just like with any dating site, you need to verify your email. No big deal, right? The entire sign-up process takes less than a minute, so it's really worth it before you begin browsing for a match. And you don't have to answer every single question right away. You could just do the basics and fill out the rest of your profile later. And there you have it. Of course, women signing up will get all the site's features for free right off the bat. However, men need to pay for credits to send messages and make connections on the site. This pretty much is the norm for any dating site though. Ashley Madison makes it easy for paying members to send messages or gifts or call other members or chat with users. Members also have the chance to customize their profiles. Additionally, your profile will display feedback. Plus, once you run out of credits, you could get 100 discounted credits super easy. Members can search for others using filters like age, last login, distance, and more. You can also create a list of your favorite profiles, and this is a free feature too. Members have the ability to add up to 100 profiles to their list. You can see who's viewed your profile, which is handy if you want to connect with those who may be interested with you. You can send free weeks on the site for free. This is a great way to show someone interest before paying for features. And when you send winks, attaching your favorite showcase key is an option. This way, the receiver can see your profile in its entirety. After purchasing the credits, member can send virtual gifts to show others they're interested in hooking up. The cost of these gifts depends on the type of gift you send. All right, let's talk about the key features. Ashley Madison app is free to download, and you can find it on the App Store or Google Play. And there's also a desktop version, but just know that all transactions would have to go through iTunes or Google Play. The app has an inconspicuous icon, and this is handy in the case you have a spouse, maybe snooping through your phone. And there's no distracting ads on the site, and that means you could spend more time having fun on Ashley Madison instead of wasting time through clicking through endless ads. Also, there's a very handy travel feature on the app, and this allows members to share their travel plans with up to 30 women in the area they're traveling to. What a great feature for married men who want to have a fling on their business trip. The feedback section on the member's profile is an original feature that allows others to rank members in 9 areas. And the discrete photos feature allows members to upload and alter their photos. They cannot be easily identified on the site. And you can also add masks to your face and even blur distinct aspects of your body. The priority mail feature allows you to send a message with priority status, and this means that you'll be flagged at the top of the receiving member's inbox and a confirmation receipt is generated when the message is read, saving time. Also, the customer service team is super responsive, whether you're a paid member or not. When creating their profile, members can take advantage of profile fields that specify what they're looking for. For example, some of the fields include hopeless romantic, seeking a sugar baby, and what turns me on. All right, let's talk Ashley Madison safety and security. So Ashley Madison had a security mishap back in 2015, which you might have heard about. The site's database was hacked and personal details were released to the public. And while this is unfortunate, it gave the company a chance to address its security issues, and they made substantial improvements. And they rebuilt their reputation through the last few years. And this is a good sign that the company actually cares about security concerns. All right, Ashley Madison pricing. Ashley Madison's credit system is pretty unique, and it helps you make the most out of your account. There are 3 packages to choose from. There's Elite, which is 25 cents per credit, and you could buy 1,000 credits for $249. There's the Classic, it's 30 cents per credit, so that's 500 credits for $149. And then there's Basic, which is 49 cents per credit, and you get 100 credits for $49. So for my final thoughts on Ashley Madison, well, this site isn't for those seeking serious relationships, but it continues to be one of the most popular cheating and hookup apps around. Whether you're searching for a sexy single woman, for discreet fun while you're married, or a hot young stud to fulfill your secret fetishes, you'll find plenty of fun on Ashley Madison. It offers the best in infidelity dating. And before we go, please make sure to like, subscribe so that we could keep bringing you the best dating tips, advice, and reviews on the dating sites out there. And make sure to take the Date Flutter dating quiz so that you could find the dating website that is the most accurate one for you. Until next time, see you soon.